Hello everyone, this video is about to install MongoDB locally and to use that in local environment. So for that, first of all, we will come to MongoDB community server. We will search it in Chrome in the browser. So after that, we will open this link. Okay, after opening this link, so we will download that. Okay, this is the version 6.0. okay, the Windows MSIR zip file. Okay, download it. So I have already downloaded it. Is okay, 6.0.6 version. Okay, so now we will install it. So let's install it. Yeah, press the next button, accept it, in next, yeah, complete it. Okay, just it is configured, install it. Yeah, it will take some time. Yeah, make it okay. Yeah, it is okay. Set up automatically close requested application. Please ensure that the application. Okay, yeah, it is copying the file. Yeah, now it is installing MongoDB Compass. So where we will see that is a GUI where we will see the data, the databases, and the collections. Yeah, the MongoDB Compass is installing. Yeah, it will start the services. Let's say okay, finish. That has installed. It says you must start change the MongoDB. So not right now. Yeah, the Compass has installed successfully. So it is the GUI that we will use, okay, to create the databases and see the data. Okay, so this is the URL that we will connect with our database. Okay, so let's press the connect button. Yeah, that has connected with the database. Okay, localhost, this is the port number. So now let's create a database. Okay, let's come to the database tab, and here let's create a database and assign a name to that. For example, CRAD, and the name, a collection name, that would be users. Let's create the database. Yeah, the database has created. Okay, if you want to add the data, so just press add data. Let's insert the document. This is the ID, and let's add a new record. For example, name, stuff, and age 23. Okay, so let's press the insert button. The record will be added successfully. Okay, this is the first record. If you want to add another record, so you can add that. This is the database that we will use. Okay, this is the GUI mode. If you want to use the command line, so then you can use the shell of MongoDB. Okay, MongoDB shell. Okay, just download it and use it. And also you can configure the path for that. Okay, so this the GUI mode. It is better to use with the code. Okay, if you are writing Node.js or some other language to connect with the database, Mongo database, and use it locally. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.